Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Nightmares. And I want to say that my brother has a really bad day, so pretty much say in the comments say that hope his day will get better after like tomorrow. It's been rough. Anyways,
It sucked.
we're gonna select a chapter.
I like to rest, so I won't be talking much.
Yeah, he has a rough time. We are doing the kitchen now. Okay, it's been a while since I played a game, so I forgot the controls.
God.
Yeah, laugh up about it. Okay, here we go. Oh, hello, chef. You smoking, bro?
Yes!
Yeah. What the? HE double hockey sticks. Oh, he... Ugh, there's so many body bags. Can't say it's delightful. Uh-oh. Ugh, that ain't good. She is hungry. Oh, that's nice. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no. Everyone who don't like seeing this, avert your eyes. God. Oh, another 6. I am so sorry, little one. Full of friggin' Danos. Come on, push! Thank you. Ah! Secret. Aha! Little shrine? Yoinks. Well, that's another statue to go. I pull up a few lists on my phone so I can know. Oh, we got a guess.
Kane.
That's Kane. Oh, gosh. Oh, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna have to deal with the chefs now. Ugh. Ugh, that's so gross. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Ah! You don't see me? Your face is clipping. Oh my god, that's so gross. Ugh. At least the chef knows what they're doing with cooking. Ah! Fuck! I mean, I should have known. And he's gonna shove me in the fish of a head. Ew. Ew.
Did you? Oh.
Yeah, I got shoved into a fish.
Hmm.
Might wanna blur that out for all those fish lovers. Ew. Ugh, so gross. Ugh. Ugh, so gross. Oh, that's... That is so gross. Ugh, twin toilets. Hey, I don't know. Oh, there's a brother. Ugh. Okay, he's gone now.
Really?
I broke a leg.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. How am I gonna get over there? Okay, good. Hi, little gnome. Gnome. Norman. Run. No. Hey, little buddy. You okay? Now, don't follow me. Ew. Gross. He's so neasy. Sorry, guys. I had to concentrate really hard on this because he's gonna be to death. Oh, okay, good. I made it into this sausage meaty machine. Ew. That's so gross. Oh, well, I know what to do here, so this should be no problem. Why would I have an elevator for such a small little person? Who knows? Wait, isn't there a secret? I can't open it. In here? I thought there would be. Maybe on top? Okay. Whoa. Ew. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, that's all I need to do, right? Ugh. Okay, that's all I need to do. Okay. Now, all I need to do... this little ding. Now, all I need to do is just pull that lever. There we go. Ugh, so gross. And then I just... fudge. Okay, there we go. This is tough, you guys. You have no idea. Says to my bro, laughing behind
Yeah.
the camera. I have no idea. Oh, it's the brother. Oh my god. So gross. You guys won't believe what he was shaking. He had to shake the cheese. That is so unbelievably stupid.
Oh, why did you need to shake that cheese? Where did you put that? You don't have pockets.
Okay. Hide. Ugh, God. Honestly, he looks way worse than his brother. Look at him. Him and his fat rolls.
Ugly.
That ain't fun. Oh, he has the key. Ugh. Ugh. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, this is gonna be a gross episode. I'm gonna say this. It's so gross. Like, ugh. You guys won't believe it, but that's a head. Okay, I just need to... Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hurry.
Okay, okay, I'm in.
Hey, what's going on here?
Oh, my heart is beating, you guys. Yeah, you better run. Wah! Ha! Statue. Hey, yoink. Oh God. And here they are, two brothers, just being bros and just washing dishes, which, I'm gonna have to remember what I'm gonna try to do because I can't remember.
Come on.
Like, I can't get out. That one thing is blocked.
Good stack of dishes. Oh man. You're wild.
Fuck!
You are wild for that. Well,
God, fuck, Jingy.
don't worry, you can cuss all you want, I'll just censor it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get credit because I'm editing these.
Yeah. Since Jacob is willingly gonna blur those sentences swears out. These chefs are cunts. They're terrible, horrible shit. Fucks. You'll never find me. Not by a long shot, bitch. Now. Now this becomes a challenging. What I'm gonna do is gonna have to climb the plates. Ew. He's coughing. Bye, losers! Fudge!
Nope. Not this time.
I'm so close, bro.
Uh,
I should not jump. Okay.
oh, ooh! Ooh! The moves. Oh. Wow, they try to throw things at you. That's funny. That is funny right there.
I did it.
Alright.
See you later, bitch. I escaped the kitchen.
Nice.
Okay. Well, guys, this is gonna be it for this episode. It's 30 minutes long, so this is yeah.
Maybe some cuts.
Yeah, gonna be some cuts. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give this a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and leave some support in the comments for my brother Jacob.
I deserve all of it.
yeah. And go check out his gaming video that he has done for the past 2 videos. It's really good. I recommend. Anyways, I hope you guys had a good day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.